In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently bulk edit product prices in Shopify. Whether you have a handful of products or a vast inventory, understanding how to adjust prices efficiently can save you a lot of time and ensure your pricing strategy is up to date. We'll explore using Shopify's built-in bulk editor tool and how to manage price changes with CSV files. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about using the Shopify bulk editor. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard where you'll find the Products section. This is your home base for managing everything related to your merchandise. Once you're there, you must select the products you want to edit. You'll see checkboxes next to each product. Go ahead and check those for the items you intend to update. If you have a lot of products, you can use filters to narrow down your selection based on criteria such as collection, vendor, type, or even specific tags. Once you've selected your products, look at the top of the page and click Edit Products. This will open the Bulk Editor, a powerful tool that lets you modify various details of your products all in one place. Focus on finding the columns that deal with product pricing. These might be labeled as Price, Compare at Price, or something similar. Now you're ready to make your price edits. You can manually type in new prices for each product, or for a more time-efficient method, use the drag feature to apply the change across multiple products at once. Once you're satisfied with your updates, don't forget to click Save to ensure your modifications are applied. Now, let's discuss using CSV files, which can be particularly useful for more complex edits or when dealing with a large number of products. Start by exporting your product data as a CSV file from the Shopify admin. Open this file in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel. It's here that you can modify the price columns much like you would in the bulk editor, but offering you more control and flexibility over large datasets. Once you've edited your CSV file, import it back into Shopify to apply your changes. Before wrapping up, here are some additional tips. Consider using dedicated Shopify apps for bulk product editing, especially if your pricing needs are more advanced, or if you frequently need to make bulk edits. Always test your changes on a small sample of products or variants before applying them across your entire store to avoid any unintended consequences. Regularly saving your progress is crucial, particularly when using the bulk editor. And finally, take some time to get comfortable with the editor. Understand how to add or remove columns and use filters to make your bulk editing even more efficient. That's all for today. With these tools and tips, you should be well equipped to streamline your product price management in Shopify, keeping your store dynamic and responsive to market changes.